Good evening, guys. Second video for the day. This is about the stock of the month for the month of July. Today is 21st of June, so the question is why I am giving a stock trade for the month of July 10 days before the month starts. It is because the expiry for the month will happen on 24th, and after that, whatever trade we do, it would be for the July series. July series would be a long series, so it is appropriate at this point of time to give this trade. The stock is Bajaj Auto. As you can see on the chart of Bajaj Auto, it is the daily chart of Bajaj Auto. It has taken a beautiful support at its support line somewhere around 4058. If you enlarge the chart, अगर हम चार्ट को एनलार्ज कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा, एक फॉलिंग ट्रेंड लाइन चैनल से ब्रेकआउट दिया बड़ी कैंडल पे, इट कैन बी कॉल्ड अ बुलिश एनगल्फिंग कैंडल, देन अ another candle which is giving a higher close than the previous candle. एक हायर क्लोज दे रहा है प्रीवियस कैंडल से, तो which is showing a continuous uptrend. It is showing a continuous uptrend. RSI is positive. RSI is somewhere around 56.52, and if you look at the previous highs, the RSI was somewhere around highly overbought levels of around 87, 88. If we say the RSI comes to around 76, which is normal for a bullish stock, so we still have 20 points on RSI to go. If this pattern continues, the first target for Bajaj Auto for the month, it may take 1.5 months also, but it should do beautifully well in the month of July. So the first target for Bajaj Auto would be somewhere around 4300. But since it is a second attempt and it is trying to break out of that attempt, so once it opens goes above 4300, we may see 44, 44.50 even on Bajaj Auto in coming months. So Bajaj Auto is a clear buy at this level. RSI is positive. Other factors are also positive. If you look at other indicators like Bollinger Band, the upper level of Bollinger Band is at around 4300 plus. So there is no problem in the stock. If you want to put in moving averages, so you can put in moving averages also. Moving averages, it is already in a uptrend. Moving average became a buy at around 37.15, and it is continuously going there only. The difference in the band is narrowing, which means the stock is taking the support. The difference in the band is narrowing, so the stock is taking support. So Bajaj Auto for me would be the trade of the month of July. Thank you.